Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Father's Day gifts is probably one of the most thoughtful ways to show your appreciation for the paternal figures in your life, and this year, we're diving deep into a curated selection of presents that are sure to make Pappy feel extra special, moving beyond the typical tie or socks to uncover unique and memorable items that truly resonate with his personality and interests, ensuring your gift is not just an item, but an experience he'll cherish. Number 5. KLUBI Bonus Dad 20-ounce Black Tumbler. Looking for the perfect gift for your bonus dad? This tumbler is a thoughtful and funny way to show your appreciation. It's ideal for Father's Day, birthdays, or any special occasion. This sleek black tumbler features a heartfelt and humorous message that's sure to make him smile. It's a great choice for stepdad birthday gifts or anniversary presents. Crafted from high-grade stainless steel, it keeps your drinks hot for up to 3 hours and cold for over 9 hours. It's a practical and cool gift for any dad. It comes with a spill-resistant lid, reusable straw, and cleaning brush, making it perfect for home, office, or on-the-go use. It's ready to be gifted right out of the box. From KLUBI, this set includes a 20-ounce tumbler, straw, cleaner, and lid, all in a beautifully designed giftable box. It's one of the best gift ideas for dads. Show your stepdad you care with this special tumbler. It's a fun and useful gift that celebrates your unique bond, making it a top choice for gifts from a daughter. What we like. This tumbler features a humorous and heartfelt message specifically for bonus dads. It's designed to keep your drinks at the perfect temperature for hours. If you're looking for a gift that's both funny and practical for a stepdad, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a great gift for my dad. He loved it and uses it all the time. It's well made and looks great. Number 4. Pappy, I love you to the moon and back folding pocket knife. Looking for a unique gift? This engraved folding knife is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just to show someone you care. It's a thoughtful present for any occasion. It features a sharp, durable 3.5-inch stainless steel blade that can be resharpened. When fully open, it measures 8 inches, and 4.5 inches when closed. A convenient pocket clip is built into the handle. This ensures it stays securely attached and readily accessible wherever you go. Crafted with a sleek black anodized aluminum or a natural wood grip handle, it's paired with a high-quality stainless steel blade. Weighing just 4.1 ounces, it feels robust and heavy-duty. It's also light enough to be a practical accessory for your outdoor adventures. This makes an ideal gift for dads and grandpas, especially for Father's Day, Christmas, or anniversaries. It's a lasting reminder of your love. What we like. This pocket knife comes with a touching message engraved on it, making it a unique keepsake. It's built with a sturdy stainless steel blade and a convenient pocket clip for easy carrying. If you need a gift that's both sentimental and functional for a grandpa or father figure, this is an excellent option. What people say. This is a great gift for Pappy, he loved it. The design is very unique and it works perfectly. It is a high-quality product with excellent features. Number 3. Dad and Pappy Father's Day T-shirt for Grandpa. Celebrate Father's Day with a special gift for Grandpa. This T-shirt is designed to show him how much he's loved. He proudly holds 2 cherished titles, Dad and Pappy. This shirt honors his dual role with love and pride. Crafted for comfort and style, this T-shirt is perfect for everyday wear. It's a gift he'll want to wear again and again. Make this Father's Day unforgettable with a present that truly speaks to him. It's a thoughtful way to express your appreciation. Show your grandpa he's the best with this unique T-shirt. It's a fun and loving way to celebrate him. What we like. This T-shirt proudly displays the special titles of Dad and Pappy, perfect for Father's Day. It's made for comfort and celebrates the dual roles. If you want a simple yet meaningful gift that highlights his unique relationship with his grandchildren, this T-shirt is ideal. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any room. The functionality is excellent, with easy-to-use controls and multiple settings. Number 2. Real cool Pappy Fish Grandpa Dad Joke T-shirt. Looking for a unique Father's Day gift? This t-shirt is a fun and memorable choice for any dad, grandpa, or papa. Does your dad love to fish? This shirt features a playful, real cool Pappy design that he'll surely appreciate. Add some humor to his wardrobe with this t-shirt. It's a great way to share a laugh and show your love. Made with comfort in mind, this t-shirt is perfect for casual wear. It's a gift that's both practical and fun. This shirt isn't just for dads. It's also a fantastic present for grandpas and papas who enjoy a good joke. Show him how much you care with this special t-shirt. It's a thoughtful present that celebrates his unique personality. What we like. This t-shirt features a fun fishing theme with a playful pun, celebrating Pappy. It's a light-hearted way to show appreciation for grandfathers who love fishing. If your Pappy enjoys fishing and has a good sense of humor, this shirt is a perfect fit. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any room. The functionality is excellent, with easy-to-use controls and multiple settings. Number 1. Pappy the Man, the Myth, the Legend Grandpa T-shirt. Introducing the ultimate tribute to Grandpa. This t-shirt embodies the spirit of a true legend. Looking for a gift that speaks volumes? This shirt is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Crafted for comfort and designed for style, it's a piece he'll love to wear every day. Let him know he's more than just a grandpa, he's a man, a myth, a legend. This t-shirt is a lasting reminder of his incredible presence and the stories he shares. It's not just apparel, it's a statement. Show the world the amazing man he is. What we like. This t-shirt declares Pappy, the man, the myth, the legend, celebrating his esteemed status. It's a bold and fun way to honor him. If you're looking for a gift that emphasizes how legendary your Pappy is, this shirt is a fantastic choice. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any room. The functionality is excellent, with easy-to-use controls and multiple settings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.